time for spelling. This week you are working with words that have the VCV or vowel consonant vowel pattern. There are several Reader's Notebook pages that you can use to practice your spelling on Monday and Wednesday when you're not on campus. It is also important today that you take the pretest. So I'd like you to do a couple of things. In a second, I'm going to ask you to get your learning adult so that they can read the words on the screen to you. Your job is going to be, after you get them, to number a piece of lined paper 1 through 25. And you can pause the video now and do that. And you can grab your learning adult and have them come to the video. All right, learning adults. Your student is going to be working with words that have a VCV or vowel consonant vowel pattern. They have gotten you because it's very important that they take their spelling pretest, and the words are here on this Reader's Notebook page. You can find them in your child's copy of the Reader's Notebook page 2 on page 280 if you would prefer, or you can read them off the screen. Please go through them one at a time. They should be numbering a piece of paper 1 through 25. You are going to give them the word, use the word in a sentence, and then give the word one more time. So they'll hear it a total of 3 times each word. When you are done and you've given them the pretest, please have them come back to the video. So go ahead and pause the video and give your child the spelling test and then send them back. Now that you've taken your spelling pretest, make sure to check and see which ones you got right and which ones you need to work a little bit harder on this week. Even though your test at the end of the week will be over all 25 words, we'll focus our practice for the week on the words you didn't get right. Okay, so here, this is the page I'd like you to do today, page 280 in your Reader's Notebook. You are going to read the paragraph and write the basic word that best replaces the underlined word or words in each sentence. So number 1, moving to a new place was an important occasion in my life. We're going to try to find a spelling word that kind of means the same thing as important occasion. What would that be? I would say event. An event was an event in my life. I think that best replaces the underlined word or words in that sentence. So you're going to write that on the number 1 down here. Then the challenge is to use 4 of your challenge words on a separate piece of paper or on the bottom if you can fit it. Your brother and your best friend are on opposing teams of a football game. You're going to write an entry that tells how you cheered for both teams using 4 of these 5 challenge words. Good luck. I am also going to go over your other spelling pages for the week. So you may pause the video and do page 280, and then you'll be done with spelling. But I want you to come back to the video so I can go over the other 2 spelling sheets that you may work on throughout the week. So on Wednesday, when I write practice spelling of your choice on the grid in Edify, this is one of the things that you could do, page 281. You can sort your spelling words. Vowel, consonant, vowel, where it divides after the consonant, and where it divides before the consonant. So for example, rapid would be one of your basic words that divides after the consonant, and event would be where it divides before the consonant and breaks into that VCV pattern. So you're going to do that With all your basic words, break them into the two groups, and then do that also with your challenge words. Add those to your word sort. The other page for spelling is 282, and this can also be done on Wednesday if you feel that you need the practice where you're proofreading for spelling. You find the misspelled words in the paragraph and circle them, and then write them correctly on the lines provided here at the bottom. There are 13 that you're looking for, and again, 281 and 282 are just options of ways you can practice your spelling for Wednesday. So today you're just doing page 280, which should be done already if you follow the directions on the video. And yeah, we will continue to practice your spelling words on campus too.